These are the most beautiful women of all time. Literally, you can Google it. Now look at this trade. I'm telling you, it'll be listed on Google as one of the most beautiful trades of all time. In fact, exceptionally beautiful. Listen, here's the disclaimer. What we're gonna do together, we're gonna put the lipstick on and dress up this trade. Let's get to it. Hey there, traders. Welcome again. Look, in this video, we look at a Forex trade strategy on the 15-minute chart that works in 2020. This example is a Euro USD. A beautiful trade, textbook. We do these trades time and time again, as you guys have well come to observe. Just a beautiful trade. Let's just take a look. We're going to put the lipstick on together. I've partly begun the process here, but what do we see? We have the trend line, right? Break of the trend line, pullback, continuation. That's bottom line what we do. Bottom line how we look at this trade. Now, when you look at this trade, it's so beautiful that it's just ridiculous. Let's check this out. Look, it breaks the trend line. Now, I've told you guys time and again, I'm in. I've told you that time. You look through the videos, I'm in, okay? Now, the 100 is where you put the fib because you got a fractal there. Pullback. Now, you've got an entry here. If it doesn't pull you in on the pullback entry, and I'm going to put the information on the chart because, of course, as we dress up the chart, that is how you guys are learning the strategy, okay? So pullback entry is considered as entry one, okay? Now, if it doesn't get you on the pullback, especially for newbies, you have concern, it missed me. No. We put a position on in the front as well. So we get it in the back, and we get it in the front. There was a time I used to do mortgages, and that's what I used to do. You used to charge people in the back and in the front. Okay. So if it misses you there, then when it goes through to target, because we know it's going to the 200, right? At least. Okay. We know it's going to the 618. At least. Right? Those are our targets. Right? So you got target 1. And then we also got target number 2. Listen, I just stress the chart each time. That's target 1. That's target 2. We're not going to worry about anything more. Okay? This is all we're concerned about. Target 1, target 2. That's it. It's got to the right. We're not worried about this. We're not worried about that. No. Okay? This gave you profit pretty much on the same day because I like to take off a little bit before the actual line, right? Let's check this out. If you got to target to 59 pips, if you got to target 1, that's an easy 39 pips. Remember, I'm in up here. I'm breaking the trend line. I'm just in because I know what I expect to happen. 88 pips. Ooh. Now, here's the thing. In the trade group, we spoke about this, and it got to the 1 point. There was a number here. 1.8, 1.1800, something here. There it was, that number there. And one of the guys in trade group said, is having trouble, it's going to bounce off the 1.800. Fair enough. It did that. It bounced. And then what it did? It broke through. I was confident in this trade and what it was going to do. Listen, I'm going to be trading this bad boy for a while longer, let me tell you. But here we're looking at 158 pips. Okay. 148 pips. This bad boy, if you just do this now, I'm going to show you a little trick. Look, if you extend, okay, you got to know why you're doing this. Newbies, don't try this. This is just, right? This is just when you're a pro trader, you can start doing things that other people's couldn't. You know what I'm saying? Here. This would be the pullback entry. Here would be the entry 2, right? Pullback. Didn't get you in, but look at this. As it broke beneath there, you know what to expect, right? Just talking. Pullback entry 1. Let's say it didn't get you at the 50. All right, fine. But look. You got again at the entry number 2, boom, to the 6-1. Another saying, this trade paid over time and time again. Listen, with these trades, you got to really focus on the setup. Once the setup occurs, you get multiple situations that occurs thereafter. For example, look at this trade here, the second bit, pullback entry. Now, why am I pointing that out? You might not have got a pullback entry, but remember when we traded gold? It's there, 1,000 pip trade on gold. It's there. What happened? It made a break. It made a pullback. We put a trend line on it. And what happened then? Boom, that was a 1,000 pip trade. This trade in particular, the Euro US dollar, there's guys in the trade group. They're drawing out the trades the same as I am because they understand the strategy. It's textbook. We're not making it up as we go along. We've written it in a book. You can get the book online. However, I'll put the link the link is in the description. And you will see these same trades described in the book. You can look through all the YouTube videos. You'll see these same trades described in the YouTube. It happens again and again and again and again. And guess what? It's going to continue to happen. I've been doing this for 5 years. 5 years and it's still happening now. I'm documenting it. Good Lord. Anyway, guys, it was meant to be a short video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I've explained in enough detail. If you want to know about another currency, if you have any questions, just make a comment below. I'll be sure I respond to all comments. If you like the video, you like the education that I'm providing, please give a like, please subscribe. You'll get an update on all these videos as of and when I produce them. I certainly do appreciate your time. I thank you for stopping by and, spending a minute with me. It is important. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you again, guys, and bye-bye.